Okay, so I'm going to upload the video file they send me, and I'm working on a bunch of stuff right now uh, for videos. There's the MOV. I got 2 videos so far, and so while that's happening, since it is an MOV and it isn't set up as there's no SEO on it, I'm going to go ahead and go to my file transfer. I'm going to go here, and it came from, let's try this, because he didn't send me any of the, all right, so it's from Certified Pest Control. And what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the information from his site. So it's Certified Pest Control of Naples. Let's see if he's got a about us or contact me. Contact us. All right. And of course he's got a form. And here's all his information. So I'm going to take this and get, let me go home real quick. And this is pretty cool. Nice site. All right, so it's going to be, we're going to label this Certified Pest Control of Naples, Florida is an essential pest, essential business during COVID, using keywords in their COVID-19 epidemic. Let's go. I got 100, so I got to choose from 100. All right, so what am I going to put in here? Well, I'm going to put his contact info. That way I can at least get that in there. I got to get from here. So I'm just going to scrape his info from the site. What I want you guys to do is I want you to send me the video. When you send it via WeTransfer, send me all this contact info. That way I don't have to hunt for it. But since there's only 2 guys doing it, and we're not extremely busy, I can give a little time to this and give you some love. And let me get the phone number in there. So we're going to stick it here and put the phone number in. All right, so I don't have any copy to put in there, so I'm gonna create some copy with some of the software. I'm gonna let you guys in on the software we're using to do a lot of this. So in my SEO, I have Sonics, and what I'm gonna do with Sonics is I'm going to extract the text from the audio with this software. And so while this is uploading, watch how I do that. Go back over here. Let's go back to the video. I'm going to, it's already finished processing, so we're good. Key list seems to be good. I'm gonna come back in here and let's see which picture he looks good in. He looks good in both of those, so we're gonna go with that one. Gonna go ahead and I'm going to tag this right now, most recently uploaded. Let's see here, best reviewer. We're gonna go with that. Just save it there. So that's my end card. And let's see here. All right, so we're going to add a card and create a video present. Maybe I'm going to promote this guy. So, promote each other here. So if the person can watch the next one. And we're going to go ahead and return back to YouTube. So let's see how this upload is going. All right, we're going to start transcribing this video while this is going. And there. All right. And I'm going to put it as unlisted for right now because I don't want it going on without having all of the SEO stuff we're going to do to it. So I'm going to show you here. All right. So you're going to get some nice brownie points here. All right, we're going to close that. The video's up. We're going to go back into editing. And I have, so we're going to see if we can get some keywords if people are actually looking for this, of Naples, Florida. So I'm going to SEO the video with the tags. I have this software right here called VizIQ that searches and does my keyword for Florida, for anywhere. So people are looking for it. So certified pest control. We're going to go with pest control, Naples, Fort Myers, exterminator, Florida. There we go. So according to searches that are being done on the web on YouTube, see, it's intuitive. It knows what I'm looking for. So we got all those. Um, so we're gonna go. Let's see if we can add some more keywords in there. Let's talk about. Whoop, essential business, essential businesses, coronavirus, COVID-19. We're gonna add keywords in there, and we're gonna go with that. Okay. So let's see. I got a total of 365 keywords. All of these are nice and high action keywords. I'm going to show you what this means over here later. You're going to see the score go up as I drop in the SEO. I want a very, very good score. So Naples Pest Control and Certified Pest Control, it's telling me that these are the major keywords that should be in there based on what I inputted. So it knows what, this is like your search engine for using YouTube. This software, if you want to do this yourself, guys, is 79 bucks a month. They'll give you up to 2 channels that you can SEO with this for 79 bucks a month. It's a great piece of software. This is what I use daily to produce my videos. Okay, so my video is here. And as you can see, got an 89%. So it's pretty good high. So I can listen to this and it'll play it back for me, this software. And then I can, if there's any misspelled, I'm not going to put in this here. It's because I'm putting it in. So I'm going to drop that from it. Certified pest control, contract appointments. Call us today. Because it's going to be in there. And visit. And we're not going to worry about it. All right, so this is right here. Looks pretty good. I mean, it's not great, but for SEO purposes is good. Not extensive. So we're going to drop that in there. Now we have, let me listen to this real quick because that one isn't making sense here.
You're a certified pest professional. You're a certified pest professional.
All right, so he's got a little jingle there. Got it. All right, so that makes sense now. Why that? All right, so there you go. So this is it's telling me I have my Grammarly installed because I'm a terrible writer, and this is how I pretty much SEO video. See the score how it went up? So out of 50, I got a 44.3. I got 2 items on my checklist, and then we're gonna do social media on that also and put it out through social media. So there's a backlink to this video, and we're gonna put a backlink to the website. So I'm gonna put it to his main page. Let's see here, home, and we're gonna put a backlink to the main page. So let's put it right here, and there you go. That is, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here, make it work for him since he used the language. And there you go. So now there's a backlink going to you there. Later, we're probably going to create a page and drop all these into one page, and then people will go. So now, just making sure, Lee Collier County. Let's drop in Collier County, and let's drop in the word Naples in there. So we got 97 out of 100 words. Certified Pest Control of Naples. Certified Pest Control of Naples, Florida. Got it. So that's in there. All right. So we're going to save this. And I'm going to refresh it, see what my score is. All right. So yeah, 44.3, 2 out of the 9 checklist, but we're going to do a lot of it is social media. You can see the checklist. It tells you, make it public, add closed captions. We can do that always, but that takes a lot of work. And we're going to share it on Facebook. We're automatically going to do that, and we're going to do a couple of social medias to give it some, especially Twitter, because Twitter will give you backlink. So you want the credit from social media on this. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it as listed. All right, done. We're going to save it. So now this video is public, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to, in another video, how I'm going to share this on social media very easily.